Hey, what's up? I'm Al Cox. I make games, play games, and everything in between. And today we're going to be talking about, does Buildbox have an encryption problem? Let's find out. This video is brought to you by my game Ball Meets World, made with Buildbox 3, available now on iOS and Android. It's hard to say if Buildbox has an encryption problem. I think it's kind of tailored around the assets are not encrypted, but the game file itself is encrypted. So you can maybe take everything in the game, but you can't take the game itself. But given enough time, you can literally recreate that game. Right now we're looking at One Wheel by Tapman Games, which was created during a Buildbox Game Jam. I think it placed #1 in Buildbox Game Jam. Really fun game. I've played a lot of this game. There's a game that literally has all the assets. Like, yes, I think they recreated the game differently. Here you can see there's a little power up speed boost, which is kind of cool actually. But the assets are essentially the same. So when Buildbox encodes and encrypts their files, they don't encrypt everything. They maybe encrypt the core, but they don't encrypt the assets. I don't think they encrypt the music. And I haven't played or downloaded this game because I don't like to promote these types of games that stole assets from another Buildbox game. You know, that's kind of what's going on, and this is very worrisome for anybody who makes their own assets. I generally use very simple assets, or I'll make boxes and cubes that are rounded in Blender, but this is a whole nother issue. This is if you have custom assets in your game and you upload it to the App Store and you use Buildbox, well, it pretty much seems like someone can go in, grab those assets. I'm sure it's not easy. I'm sure you'll have to be some kind of computer hacker to do so. This is kind of an awkward thing, like how do you encrypt the core game of it, but you can still kind of take the assets. And we've seen copies before, but not like this. Technically, there was one that was worse, where they straight copied everything and they just changed things away. Feel free to jump back on a later video, but I think that was from Dear Evil XE. But that developer has a big following, so it was very easy to kind of fight that system. Overall, fighting clones on the App Store in any manner is pretty much near impossible. So this is kind of a big issue and something you should know about if you're making custom assets and you plan to release for Buildbox. If there's any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below in the comments, because if you have them, I'm sure other people have them as well. This is a big concern for anybody that has custom assets. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, peace.